Welcome to our Time Management Essential series. These are short videos. Energy and Environment Management. Identifying energy drains. Recognize and eliminate or reduce activities that drain your energy disproportionately. Optimizing your environment. Create a workspace that enhances focus and minimizes distractions. Managing energy levels. Be aware of your energy highs and lows throughout the day and plan tasks accordingly. Creating positive habits. Develop habits that boost energy, such as regular exercise or adequate sleep. Reducing clutter. Maintain a clean and organized work environment to promote mental clarity. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, explore more of our content on the YouTube channel under Basheer Juma. Please subscribe to this channel and share this link. Additionally, you can discover a range of books by Basheer Juma on Amazon that might interest you.